Crystal rainbow. What do we need? Let's get started. Add 25 milliliters of water into 3 cups. Add 6 drops of yellow color in 1 cup, 5 drops of red color in the other cup, and 5 drops of blue color in the third cup. Add 2 scoops of crystal powder into each of the cups and mix each one well using the stirring stick. Distribute the crystal powder next to each other in the tray, starting with half of the quantity of red, then all yellow, then half of the quantity of blue. Mix the remaining red crystal with the remaining blue crystal until it turns to purple, and add the mixture to the tray after the blue color. Pour little water between the colors. Wait for 30 minutes. Did you get a crystal rainbow?
Yay!
Scientific explanation. The water poured between the colors allowed the colors to mix and create secondary colors.